Physics is a lot like the liberal arts of the sciences in that it has broad applicability, can really be used to describe everything. We're located just a few miles from the Patuxent River Naval Air Station, which has a whole host of R&D labs, and our students, a lot of them go and do internships in the lab. Those internships then lead to employment after graduation.
We have a full range of classes, from the introductory classes where you're looking at classical Newtonian mechanics to the more neat, modern physics. So at St. Mary's, in addition to all of the classes that you would take, we also get our students into research internships, so all of our students have a research experience before they graduate.
The physics professors are awesome. They're really good in class at kind of giving you all the tools that you'll need to be successful. They're really challenging and you really have to work for it. You have to learn how to think critically and kind of think outside the box, which you might not necessarily get at a larger institution.